Name a bad occasion to yawn very loudly.
Church.
Church.
At a funeral.
At a funeral.
We're gonna pray, Steve.
I've seen some funny stuff at a funeral. All right, name a bad occasion to yawn very loudly.
At a meeting, Steve.
At a meeting. Raphael, a bad occasion to yawn very loudly.
At a lecture, like in school, university, at a lecture.
At a lecture at school. Josh, a bad occasion to yawn very loudly.
What about being on a TV show?
Being on a TV show. I wish you would. Being on a TV show. E, name a bad occasion to yawn very loudly.
At your child's concert, play. Right?
At the children's recital. Name a bad occasion to yawn very loudly.
At a wedding.
At a wedding. Kenny, name a bad occasion to yawn very loudly.
When your wife's giving birth.
When your wife's giving
I
birth.
want to do that.
Raphael, we got 2 strikes. Salgado family Castile. Name a bad occasion to yawn very loudly.
At home.
Obviously, I could tell you were deeply ashamed of your answer.
At home.
Name a bad occasion to yawn very loudly.
During sex, Steve.
During sex. Number 7.